Pika-pee, Pikachu?
Hello everybody, today we will open Celebrations tin box with Dark Sylveon V-Card. So there is this nice promo card, Dark Sylveon V. And we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 Celebrations booster packs and 1 Vivid Voltage and 1 Battle Stars. Code. Energy card, Technical Phoebe, Carnivine, Firo, Pachirisu, Cherubi, Minfu, Silicobra, Galliard Mr. Mime, Reversalo Crowdhound, and Conkedur. Energy card, Maitena, Trambeak, Hitmontop, Fampi, Duskull, Electric, Pinnacle, Mudbray, Reversalo Drillbur, and Lucario. Zekrom, Dialga, Garchomp C level 10, nice card, and Pikachu. Cosmog, Yveltal, Zekrom, Lunala. Online code, Cosmog, Reshiram, Xerneas, Trainer Card Professor's Research. Cosmog, Groudon, Lugia, and Mew. Thank you for watching and bye bye.